This Omotosho, the Federal High Court Abuja has dismissed an application by IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu seeking to be moved from Sokoto Correctional Center to a facility within Federal Capital Territory or nearby Nasarawa State. Nnamdi Kanu was acting through his legal counsel, who had filed an expert motion asking the court to order the federal government or the Nigerian Correctional Center to immediately relocate him to Kuje Custodial Center in Abuja or Kefi Custodial Center in Nasarawa. Alternatively, he also requested a transfer to any custodial facility within the court jurisdiction, such as Suleja or Kefi, to allow him properly pursue his appeal. Omotosho, he refused the application, ruling that such an order could only be granted ruling that such an order could not be granted without first hearing from the federal government. He heard that both the federal government and the NCOS must be put on notice to respond in the interest of justice before any decision on the transfer request can be made, and the judge subsequently fixed the January 27th for the hearing of the motion. So this is basically what we've been talking about. All of this had been pre-planned before even now. They don't want to move Nnamdi Kanu back to Abuja or any other place. They want to punish the man because he refused the offers that were made to him to give up IPOB, to give up his agitation for freedom from Nigeria. And if you guys are also noticing what is going on in Imo State, Boris Johnson, who is former Prime Minister of UK, came to Imo State and was saying, no, there is no insecurity because they've discovered gas. I've said it before. The UK is behind this Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration. Yes, they are the ones that tipped Kenya to say, look, he's on his way to Kenya. Go and arrest him there. The UK government is the #1 people that are behind what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu, apart from the Fulani and any other person or government official in Nigeria. I believe very much so they are the ones that are calling the shots, because they know that Nnamdi Kanu wanting Biafra to be broken out of Nigeria, it is against their business, because Nigeria is a business for them. You know, Nigeria is a company. It is not a proper country. If we are to tell ourselves the truth, they believe that if we are to break away, then all their power on our resources in the south, that they are going to lose it, and they don't want it until they see Nnamdi Kanu as a threat. You know, guys, let me know what you think about this. I think they should at least move him to a place that he used to be in, that Abuja, and not in Sokoto. But they want to punish him there. They also want to humiliate the man, if possible, make the man buy there. But God pass all of now.